Hello guys and welcome to Quick Tip Academy. Today we will learn a quick tutorial on how to build a waterfall chart in Excel Expert Method. Waterfall charts are important in comparing the variance between two sets of data. They illustrate how the positive and negative variances between the components affects the total variance between the two sets of data. Waterfall charts are key tools to visually analyze data. Displayed is a table showing the monthly expenditure of a person for the months of January and February of a specific year. The expenditure is split into categories. The objective is to build a waterfall chart to analyze the variance between both months. First, create a variance column. Variance is the difference between the February and January expenditures. Enter the formula, equal G6 minus F6. Drag formula downwards to copy to all categories. On a new column, type January. Type February at the bottom cell and copy and paste the categories in between both cells. For January, type equals and select the cell representing the total expenditure for a January. Similar step is done for February. Next, create columns to collect the positive and negative variances. On the electricity row, for the positive column, type the formula. If cell I6 is greater than 0. To check if I6 is positive, return the absolute value of I6. If not, return 0. Since cell I6 is the variance of the electricity expense. For the negative column, type the formula. If cell I6 is less than 0. To check if I6 is negative, return the absolute value of I6. If not, return 0. Drag the formulas across all categories. For electricity, type equals to, select the previous value which is the January total, plus the positive column, minus the negative column. For water, type equals to, select the previous value above, plus the positive column, minus the negative column. Similar step is done for the transportation cell. Drag formula across remaining categories. We can see that the last value matches the total value for February. Highlight the cells. Go to the Insert on the menu bar. Select Column Charts. Click Stacked Columns. Select the red bars touching the x-axis. Go to Series Options. Select Fill Options. Click No Fill. To represent our increased values with red, select the purple bars and fill red. Also, represent the decreased values with green bars. Change the total bars to blue. Add data labels to all bars while deleting the 0 values. Format your chart as desired. The waterfall chart clearly shows which categories the individual increased expenses and which categories expenses were reduced. Also, the chart shows no changes in the internet expense. Thank you for learning. Please like, so others can benefit from this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more quick tips.